We have seen how Raja Ram Mohan Roy worked hard and thus sati was banned in India in 1829. But another evil practice that was prevalent in the Hindu society at that time was that widow remarriage was not possible. When a girl became a widow, even at a very small age, she was not allowed to remarry. So there were efforts made by various reformers and thus a change came about in the Hindu society. First of all, it was Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar who tried to show the Hindu society that widow remarriage had a sanction from the ancient text. He said that the widow remarriage was allowed in the ancient Hindu society. And because of his efforts, the Britishers gave a sanction to widow remarriage and widow remarriage was allowed in India by a law which was passed in 1856. Other reformers like Veer Salangam Pantalu in Telugu and Andhra Pradesh formed an association in favor of widow remarriage. Then there were intellectuals and reformers at Bombay who too worked very hard towards giving a sanction to widow remarriage. Then it was Dayanand Saraswati who founded the Arya Samaj, also laid lot of stress on making the lives of the widows comfortable and favored the widow remarriage. Of course, the efforts of all these reformers and the law which had been passed in 1856 gave a sanction to widow remarriage. But the plight of those who remarried was not very happy and healthy. Those who remarried were considered to be low in the Hindu society and those ladies or those women were not looked after very well by the society. They thought that these women were bad. The society did not accept them as virtuous women and they were always looked down upon by the various sanctions or by the various sections of the society. The conservative group of the Hindu society always kept on passing nasty remarks on the Widow Remarriage Act as well as on these reformers who were trying to reform the Hindu society of all the evils that had crept into it.